Hi, this is Scott. Welcome to another Hollinger Team virtual open house. Today we're at the Finley Point Estate on Skidoo Bay. Please enjoy the walkthrough of this fine property. There's 330 feet of shoreline overlooking the lake, a boathouse and a dock for up to 4 boats. The house was completely remodeled recently, all the way down to the wiring. The kitchen was added on to and made much more spacious, and has beautiful views of the lake. Adjoining the kitchen is the main level laundry room, access out to the patio with full kitchen and a fire pit, comfortable seating area for the dining, and a guest bathroom. On the other end of the main level are the steps up and down and the master suite. Again, beautiful views overlooking the lake, a fireplace, and a large master bathroom area with his and hers closets, tub and shower. From here we'll go to the stairs going up and down. First, the stairway leading up goes to a large balcony overlooking the great room and bedrooms on either side. To the south are 2 guest bedrooms, each with their own full baths. This one currently is being used as an office. It has its own fireplace and its own full bathroom. On to the third bedroom. Third bedroom overlooks the yard and the forest. Again, it has its own full bath. The fourth bedroom on the north side of the second level is set up for kids with friends visiting. Has its own balcony overlooking the lake, as well as a large, spacious, full bathroom. Now heading down to the lower lake level, beautiful wide stairways, a lot of interior custom rock work. It leads to the second laundry room area, as well as the family room that we'll see shortly, and a very large guest suite downstairs with a fireplace. Walk out right onto the lawn to the lake, and a large bathroom suite area here. Going into the family room, we have another fireplace, doors out to the lake, a large bar area, a custom-built wine cellar. Going back behind the bar, we have a full kitchen. If you have a lot of guests and you want to do entertaining down in the lower level, it's all set up for that. Included behind that is a large room that can be either a media center or a game room, whichever you would choose. Wrapping up the lower level, we have a sauna and a steam shower, as well as an outdoor shower just on the patio, and a guest bath, all connecting to the family room. We hope you enjoyed this virtual open house of this beautiful custom home on Finley Point's Skidoo Bay. Thank you for touring this home with the Hollinger team.